What should I do with my old laptop? We all face this question every 4 to 5 years, right? Don't throw your old laptop in the recycle bin or back of your closet, or sell your computer for scrap or second-hand use. Instead, convert it into a lightweight system by installing either Ubuntu or ChromeOS Flex. You can use it for yourself or give it to your loved ones. Unlike Windows and Mac, these are not paywall protected. You can download and install it for free. Based on StatCounter data from April 2024, the global desktop operating system market share shows Windows dominating with 72.22%, followed by macOS at 14.73%. Undoubtedly, the pre-installation of Windows on most new laptops has contributed to the dominance of Windows in the market. However, this practice also results in inflated prices for consumers, as the cost of the Windows license is often bundled into the overall price of the laptop. You may notice that Ubuntu has less software support compared to Windows, largely due to its smaller market share. However, by adopting Ubuntu and advocating for its wider adoption, we can increase its popularity and encourage software companies to develop more applications for this platform. While the transition to Ubuntu may require some initial adjustment, the benefits of cost savings, customization, security, and community support make it a compelling alternative to the pre-installed Windows ecosystem. Open source philosophy. By advocating for Ubuntu, we are supporting the open source movement, which promotes transparency, collaboration, and freedom from vendor lock-in. Before proceeding, I'm also a newbie in the Linux universe. You can either learn by doing everything on your own or understand the terms early to make it more interesting. I jumped into the process and, due to excitement, played around many unknown commands and ended up crashing the system several times. I reinstalled Ubuntu more than 10 times. It's more easy than installing a Windows OS. Linux is a family of open-source operating systems. There are many distros available for users depending on their needs, like desktop, server, core, and cloud. Ubuntu is the most user-friendly distro out there, and it is based on another well-established distro called Debian. It's by default bundled with the GNOME desktop environment. Elevate the user experience by installing some extensions from GNOME shell extensions. That's the fun part. Ubuntu is free and fully open source. It provides updates in 2 styles. One is long-term support release every 2 years in April. The other is interim release every 6 months in April and October. If you're into experimenting with everything as soon as possible, try the frequent one. Explore further on Ubuntu's website. You can see a lot of different flavors of the Ubuntu OS, each with its own choice of default applications, interfaces, and settings.